What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to make this like inverted effect inside of Premiere Pro, and you may not know about this effect, and if you do, great job, you can skip this video. Otherwise, let's get started. So here are my videos. Here today we have this video, which I did a tutorial before where I showed you how to zoom in and make this little effect right here where we zoom. We want to find an effect that makes it look inverted, and you guessed it, it's called invert. So just grab invert from effects and presets, drag it onto your footage, and here you go. It looks just like that. Now, what you may not know is that you can actually go into the Invert tab. Right here, RGB inverts everything, but we can actually do other things. We can invert it into different ways. So if you're looking for some kind of like music video-esque situation with an inverted blue, there it is. There's all kinds of different little effects in here that are kind of neat to have. So I highly advise to check out Invert for some of your more visual interest pieces. Now, if you're really curious of what this looks like on Instagram or TikTok, you can download our social overlay pack, which has a ton of different packs inside of it. But in this case, we can drag on the YouTube Shorts, right click, fit to frame, and it shows what it's going to look like on YouTube Shorts with a typical overlay. So it's easy to crop and scale to make things look visually interesting. If you'd like a link to this pack, just comment pack down below. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
And right before we finish up, I'll plug it one more time. Feel free to check out filmit.io. It is a resource for creatives made by creatives, aka me and a small team of developers.